After watching this video, you will have learned these 6 consonants of the Korean alphabet Hangul. 안녕하세요 여러분, 루시예요. 저랑 같이 한국어 공부하실래요? 그럼 구독해주세요. So, let's start with the first letter. This gives an H sound and that's all there is to it. Now, the next 2 letters are pretty similar and cause a bit of a problem when we have to distinguish between them. These two, in my opinion, are even harder than the triplets. The first one is this and the second one is this. So, both of them are associated with the S sound in English. Now, the single S in Korean is a bit more relaxed than the double S, right? The double S is a hiss. Secondly, the single S can be romanized as the S from words where it is immediately followed by another consonant to stop it from becoming a hissing S. If that was too weird for you, it is basically the S from smell, stay, etc. It feels like you're breathing out when you say this. Plus, it feels like there is a really small and relaxed H sound at the end. Now, the double S in Korean is just its opposite. When the S sound is followed by a vowel in the English any word, it becomes a hiss. The double S is the S from sun, same, etc. It also takes way less air. Now, there is one more thing to take note of here. When both S and double S are paired with the E vowel, they are pronounced as a SH sound, a sh sound, not a s sound, right? She, not C. Now let's talk about today's triplet. This is the base and this has a B sound. And it is pronounced like more of a soft B at the start of words and more like a clear B at the end. So this thing here would be pronounced with a softer B at the start and a clearer B at the end. Pabo. Now this is the aspirated version and has a soft P sound. This pretty much sounds the same even if it is at the start of words or even if it is at the end. Now both of these two always have their roots as B and P respectively, and that's what you need to look for when trying to differentiate between these two. Now let's finally talk about the last consonant of Hangul. Unfortunately, there are still some more vowel combinations left to learn and Bachim follows that, which I actually didn't learn when I was learning Korean, but I kind of figured it out on my own, so I guess that it will be easy for you guys to learn that too. Now this is the double consonant and has a pump sound at the start. You make this sound when you smack your lips. Well, not really, but yeah, it's kind of similar. 잘 들어보세요. 하, 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 사, 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 싸, 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 바, 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 파, 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 빠, 빠, 빠. Now, this is not the end of the video. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know that I give Korean vocabulary lists at the end of videos related to Korean. So, here it is. 아침식사, breakfast. 점심, lunch. 저녁, dinner. 옷, clothes. 눈, eyes. 손, hands. 발, foot.